Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to write an ebook using ChatGPT. Ebooks are readily available online for anyone to download, and you can even find them on your various websites. Start by logging into your ChatGPT account. Open AI.com in your web browser and log into your account. Next, you need to determine the topic for your ebook. For our example, we choose the topic of computer science. So enter the prompt to generate a list of potential titles for the ebook. ChatGPT can help with this. It has generated a list of 20 titles. You can choose a topic you like from this list or save the entire list for reference. Now, select the title from one of these lists, copy it, and generate content ideas from that title. Like here, I have given it a command to write details about a specific topic. ChatGPT can assist by generating more ideas relevant to the selected title. Copy these complete content ideas to your notepad. These will serve as the different chapters for your ebook. After that, you can edit it word by word to make your ebook. You can change the font size, style, make it bold and italic, and edit it however you want. Next, ask ChatGPT to write content for each specific chapter. Use phrases like create 1,000-word content for that topic. ChatGPT will generate 1,000 words for you to select a chapter. After that, you can even generate a table of content or content list for your desired topic. You can even rephrase the content if you wanted the chatbot to generate it in different tone, like a more professional one. After generating the content for the first chapter, copy it to your notepad. Continue generating content for the remaining chapters following the same process. Open the notepad, copy the next chapter's title, create a new chat window, and ask ChatGPT to generate content for that specific chapter using the desired word count and tone. Once you've completed content generation for all the chapters, copy and paste the content into your Word document. You just need to do some basic settings to arrange the content. It's quick and efficient way to create a content for your digital book. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.